Battery box showed up finally. It's delayed by a day due to all the snow we had here. Got about 6 inches, I guess, out here. Gonna get the battery box installed in it today. Prime the oil pump since how it's been sitting so long. Make sure I'm getting oil to the top of it. Set the distributor in it. Then I'll drop the intake back on it and then button up the front of it. Try to get this thing fired up, see what it sounds like. Eventually going to pull it out, put my 389 in it. Want to hear this thing run prior to pulling it out. See how it goes. Well, that's my goal for today. Don't think I'll get the intake set on it. I don't imagine, but I'll get everything else done that I'm wanting to get done today, and slowly but surely. Okay, more to come. Hopefully, with a little bit of luck, I'll get there. If anybody's watching my videos, they're kind of short. I don't have a GoPro or anything. I'm just using my cell phone. It's kind of hard to record and work at the same time. I'm new to this YouTube stuff, so anyway, if anybody's watching, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe. Appreciate you all watching. Have a good day.